An HP Thunderbolt docking station expands your laptop's connectivity through a single Thunderbolt cable. It acts as a central hub for peripherals like monitors, keyboards, mice, Ethernet, and audio devices. This provides a cleaner workspace and simplifies connecting multiple devices. As of 2026, newer docks support Thunderbolt 5 and USB 4 2.0 for enhanced speed and compatibility. Before you start, ensure your HP laptop has a Thunderbolt port supporting Thunderbolt 3, 4, or 5. Models like HP EliteBook, Spectre X360, and Envy series are commonly compatible. Check HP's official website for a compatibility list to confirm your specific model is supported. This step is crucial for the dock to function correctly. Connect the dock's power adapter to a power outlet. The docking station should power on automatically once connected to both the power source and your laptop. Verify that the dock has power, usually indicated by a light. If it doesn't power on, check the power adapter connection and outlet. Download the latest HP Thunderbolt dock software, version 1.0.7 as of 2026 from the HP support website. Install the software, which includes necessary drivers for Windows, macOS, or Linux operating systems. On Windows systems, you may need to enable Thunderbolt in your BIOS settings to ensure proper functionality. The installed software ensures optimal performance and compatibility with your HP Thunderbolt docking station. Connect your monitors to the dock using HDMI or DisplayPort cables. Open Windows Display Settings or macOS System Preferences to configure your displays. Arrange your screens according to your workspace preferences. Thunderbolt 5 supports up to 3 4K displays at 120 Hz or one 8K display, maximizing your visual workspace. Adjust display settings for resolution and arrangement to optimize your setup. If devices aren't being recognized, first update the dock's firmware using HP Support Assistant. Then restart your laptop to refresh the connection. Try using a different Thunderbolt cable to rule out cable issues. Make sure the cable is Thunderbolt certified for proper compatibility. For persistent issues, consult HP's support documentation or user forums for model-specific solutions. Regularly updating drivers can prevent future problems.